Have you ever stopped to wonder why sunflowers follow the sun or how rainforests produce so much oxygen? Welcome to today's episode of the Tell Me Why series, where we unravel the mind-blowing secrets of plants and ecosystems and delve into the remarkable adaptations and intricate relationships that allow plants to thrive in every corner of our planet. Let's dive in. Tell me why some plants close their leaves at night. As darkness descends, have you ever noticed how some plants seem to fold their leaves, almost as if they are preparing for slumber? This intriguing behavior is called nyctinisty. Far from being a simple reaction to the absence of light, it's a clever tactic that some plants have evolved to survive. During the day, leaves are outstretched, acting as solar panels, capturing sunlight to fuel the process of photosynthesis. But when sunlight isn't available, keeping leaves open can be wasteful, even dangerous. By closing their leaves at night, plants like the prayer plant can conserve precious energy and reduce water loss through transpiration. It's a delicate dance between maximizing sunlight exposure and minimizing unnecessary loss, a testament to the resourcefulness of the plant kingdom. Tell me why certain plants, like the Venus flytrap, eat insects? In the nutrient-poor bogs and swamps of our planet, a different kind of plant has evolved, one with a taste for something more substantial than sunlight. These are the carnivorous plants, and their modified leaves have become ingenious traps. The Venus flytrap, with its lightning-fast snap, is perhaps the most iconic example. Its leaves are lined with sensitive hairs, and when an unsuspecting insect triggers these hairs, the trap springs shut, imprisoning the prey within. Digestive enzymes then get to work, breaking down the insect's body and providing the plant with essential nutrients, particularly nitrogen, which is scarce in its boggy habitat. It's a macabre yet fascinating example of nature's adaptability, turning a lack of nutrients into an evolutionary advantage. Tell me why desert plants have thick stems and spines instead of leaves. The unforgiving deserts of the world, with their scorching sun and scarce rainfall, pose a unique challenge to plant life. Yet even here, life finds a way. Desert plants, like the iconic saguaro cactus, have evolved remarkable adaptations to not only survive but thrive in this arid environment. Their thick, fleshy stems serve as reservoirs, storing precious water collected during infrequent rainfall. And what about those spines, you might ask? They are not just for show. These sharp structures, a modification of leaves, serve to minimize water loss by reducing surface area exposed to the drying air. They also act as a deterrent to thirsty herbivores looking for a juicy meal. In the harsh reality of the desert, every drop counts, and these adaptations are a testament to the resilience of life in the face of adversity. Subscribe and comment which fact you were surprised by in the video, and continue to watch till the end for more such fascinating secrets of plants and ecosystems. Tell me why mangrove trees can survive in salty water? Along coastlines around the world where rivers meet the sea, lies a unique ecosystem dominated by trees that thrive in salt water. These are the mangroves, masters of adaptation, living in a world of fluctuating tides and high salinity. Mangroves have evolved remarkable ways to cope with the salt that constantly threatens to dehydrate them. Some species possess specialized cells in their roots that act like filters, preventing most of the salt from entering their system. Others excrete excess salt through glands on their leaves, leaving behind visible salt crystals. These adaptations allow mangroves to not only survive, but create thriving ecosystems that provide shelter and breeding grounds for a myriad of marine and terrestrial creatures. They are a vital link between land and sea, protecting coastlines from erosion and filtering pollutants. Tell me why some flowers only bloom at night. As twilight descends and the world is bathed in the soft glow of the moon, a different kind of flower begins to stir. These are the nocturnal bloomers, like the ethereal moonflower, whose large white petals unfurl as darkness falls, releasing a heady fragrance into the night air. This nocturnal display is not a random act, but a deliberate strategy to attract specific pollinators. While many flowers rely on bees and butterflies that are active during the day, nocturnal flowers have evolved to entice creatures of the night, such as moths and bats. Their pale colors are more visible in low light, and their potent fragrance acts as a beacon, guiding pollinators through the darkness. It's a fascinating example of coevolution. where plants and their pollinators have developed a mutually beneficial relationship. Tell me why mushrooms are not classified as plants. In the shadowy undergrowth of forests, a hidden kingdom thrives, often unnoticed beneath our feet. This is the realm of fungi, and while they might resemble plants, they are a kingdom unto themselves. Mushrooms, the fruiting bodies of fungi, are a testament to this unique lineage. Unlike plants, fungi do not possess chlorophyll, the green pigment that allows plants to capture sunlight and produce their own food through photosynthesis. Instead, fungi obtain nutrients by absorbing organic matter from their surroundings. They play a crucial role in decomposition, breaking down dead plants and animals, recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. So, while they might not be plants, fungi are essential components of the web of life. Tell me why trees are called the lungs of the earth. Trees, the silent giants of the plant kingdom, are often called the lungs of the earth, and well, for good reason. They play a vital role in regulating our planet's atmosphere and providing us with the very air we breathe. Through the process of photosynthesis, trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen as a byproduct. This exchange of gases is essential for life on Earth. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, and its accumulation in the atmosphere contributes to climate change. Trees act as carbon sinks, absorbing and storing vast amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. Tell me why rainforests are crucial for the Earth's ecosystem. Rainforests, teeming with life, are often called the jewels of the Earth, and for good reason. These lush ecosystems are home to an astonishing diversity of plant and animal life, harboring more than half of the world's terrestrial species. But their importance extends far beyond their biodiversity. Rainforests play a crucial role in regulating the global climate. They act as massive carbon sinks, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to regulate global temperatures. They also release significant amounts of water vapor through transpiration, contributing to cloud formation and rainfall patterns. The health of our planet is intricately linked to the health of our rainforests. Tell me why plants grow toward the light. Have you ever noticed how plants seem to stretch towards a light source? This phenomenon, known as phototropism, is a remarkable example of plant behavior. Plants, like all living organisms, need sunlight to survive. Sunlight is essential for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy in the form of sugars. To maximize their exposure to sunlight, plants have evolved the ability to grow directionally, bending and turning to follow the sun's movement across the sky. This growth is regulated by hormones, particularly auxins, which are produced in the growing tips of plants. Auxins promote cell elongation, causing the plant to bend towards the light source. Tell me why some seeds can survive for hundreds of years. Seeds, those tiny capsules of life, hold the promise of a new generation. But some seeds possess an extraordinary ability to withstand the test of time, remaining dormant for decades, even centuries before springing to life. This remarkable feat of survival is due to a combination of factors. Many long-lived seeds have hard protective coatings that shield them from harsh environmental conditions. Inside, the seed enters a state of dormancy, its metabolism slowing to a crawl, preserving its energy reserves. This dormant state allows seeds to survive periods of drought, extreme temperatures, and even fire. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the secrets of plants and ecosystems. From the intricate mechanisms of survival to the delicate balance of relationships, we've witnessed the remarkable adaptations that allow plants to thrive in every corner of our planet. We hope you found it as fascinating as we did. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. See you next time.